Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Jojo Rome's in the house in your mouth, like ooh.
Peace, fam. Peace on light healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at it with another video. This one is, and we're gonna jump right into it. This one is when you accidentally bring weed to the airport. Ain't no accident. There's no accident. It's legal in a lot of states. I think people don't know what states it's not illegal in, and so they do it expecting to not get searched or checked, or their friends told them, hey man, just put it in your pocket, you find, they don't look at it, you know, they ain't checking for it, and you do it, and then all of a sudden this happens, and then you say, oh, I accidentally did it, or I forgot it was in my purse, or this, that, and the third. Let's see what it is, what's going on. But before we jump into it, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Roman's in the house, in your mouth. George Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth, like, oh, oh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Always keep the mind right, keep the mind tight, keep thriving and surviving, and keep your vibes high.
On May 21st, 2025, officers were dispatched to the airport after receiving report of a drug-related incident.
Good morning. Good morning. You back? Yeah. What's in there? What do you? I know it's not grinding, but it's fun. You here in Texas usually, or where you? I live in Florida. No, my family lives here. I'm with my nephews for summer vacation. Do you know any amount of visiting going on? Yeah. Do you have your ID on you, or is it? They have it. Okay. I just have my passport. Okay. What state's your ID out of? Georgia. Georgia? Yeah. Good. I have a picture of it from my phone. Okay. You have the right to remain silent and not make any statement at all. Any statement you make may be used against you at your trial. Any statement you make may be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to a lawyer present to advise you prior to and during any question. If you are unable to employ a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed to advise you prior to and during any question. You have the right to terminate the interview at any time. Do you understand your rights? Is it yours? Or are you carrying this about? No, it's mine. Okay. So, are you doing it by yourself as well? Go back to your, are you safe? Baggage in your no one's? Yes. Okay. I'm just checking. Thank you for checking that. So you're not paying for anybody else? Is anybody around you being threatened for you to do anything? Look. What's it for? No. Okay. Any medical or? Well, for my I don't have a card yet because I have to transfer it over to Florida. So I don't have my card, so I do buy it illegally. Okay. But okay. Where were you initially? Where were you before Florida? Georgia. Okay. Mm-hmm. Just you two traveling together? No, my two nephews and my sister. Okay. No. You know what your flushing is? I don't. Because they have your phone in here. We'll get back there in a minute. As far as us, they don't know how much it is, so I don't know what decision they're going to make on that end. Typically, if it's a small amount, it's a citation. They can just for it. Typically not. Large amount can be a different story. You've been arrested for this before? Do you have any assaultive history? So then that's their discretion. I'm talking to you collecting the info. I haven't even seen it, tested it. Is it just your grinder or is it actual? It's actual, like, I wouldn't say it's nice. It's still 7 pounds. Yeah. Do you know the person who got it? No, because I just do it through my friend. It's cut on the here. Do you trust that it's just weed? Yeah. Okay. Not anything else? So you trust the person you got it from to be this weed?
Yeah. I gave my husband.
Okay.
Oh, little Tank Tank, what you doing, girl?
Well, that is my own personal booze that I brought from here to take back home. I live in Georgia. I used to live in Georgia. I moved to Florida, and I can't get my card yet because I don't. I haven't switched over,
Okay.
and I just it's stupid.
Is it legal in Florida?
Yeah. The recreation with your card, not recreation, only medical.
Okay. Do you know that it's not legal in Texas?
No.
Okay, so it is not legal in Texas.
Well,
What's in your grinder? Same thing. Okay. Is it? I saw you had 2 bags in there. One's empty. Is it the empty bag?
well, the thing is, that's my sister's thing, like the case itself. But I put my weed grinder in to travel with, so whatever else is in there, I have no idea. But the grinder, it's owning me. But if you look,
See. I did read Miranda. Okay. And yeah, she said it was her own personal use. And when I first asked her, like, it's not no one's legal in Texas, she said yes. Okay. So she hadn't given me any issue. She said personal use. She bought it here in Texas illegally. Okay. So she bought it illegally. She said where she bought it. She said through a friend. Okay. I was trying to ease that way. Okay. She said it's not laced, or at least she trusts it's not laced. She has smoked some already. It's not. I haven't asked whether it was today or whatever. There's a rolled up dollar bill. Like a rolled up bill. Okay. We all testing that? We didn't. I just tested the one, but she initially said yeah, she knew it was illegal. Yeah. Now she's saying she doesn't. Okay. Of course, that may be nerves. How much is it? It's quite a bit. Yeah. So the whole grinder is the grinder's full, and then there's a whole other bag full. Okay. So, but I wanted to tell you what we found out. I guess that's so. I'm gonna go ahead and have you stand up for me. And this time you are being placed under arrest for
trafficking, girl.
possession. Okay. Let's take this bag off. So fast. I'll take that off. You can keep your jacket on for a minute if you.
First of all, what you mean? Oh, it's just 7 grams. Like, I can see if you got a J. I can see if you got a little tube of like a single J. Like a gram. I get that. Half a gram, 0.5 of a gram, but 7 whole grams in a bag, which would look more than what it is. The fact that it's in a bag, and then there's another bag. And you have a rolled up dollar bill. I don't know nobody who snorts weed. Okay. So that ain't good, man. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Huh? Like here in Washington, it's legal. You can, and I know certain places, Florida, it's legal, but you got to have a medical card. Texas, it ain't legal. So you got to know if you an avid weed smoker, pot smoker, whatever you want to call it, ganja. You know what I'm saying? The devil's lettuce, vegetable juice, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? You got to know the rules if you can't travel without it. You know what I mean? If you can't travel without it, then maybe don't go nowhere, or maybe like take a break. You know what I mean? Like you don't got to have it all the time. And it's hard to trust the plug anymore. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody's just trying to enhance stuff. Everybody's trying to make it stronger. Everybody's trying to, make money, and they don't really care what they're selling you. Especially that fake stuff that they're selling over in the South, like that Delta 9 and all that crap, all that. That's just straight chemicals. That was not grown from the oif. All right? So, man, she messed up, man. She messed up. So, let's see what happens, because that's just, you know what I'm saying? That sucks. It just sucks. And now you're crying. Dad.
You're gonna take your watch off.
Like we're
gonna take your watch off, okay?
Taking it for infested healing.
Just relax. I'm just checking them. I'll help for me. Yeah, please. Can I get call my boyfriend and I not doing it there. Yeah, I got.
It's lesson learned. Lesson learned, shorty. Like,
So
you know what I'm
Joe will be
saying?
able to explain it better, okay, once you get there. Talk to us. I get it. There's a
Which is
phone in
crazy.
there,
You know
so
what?
once you get in and they get you booked in, you can make calls, okay?
You know what I mean? Which this does make me a little bit angry as a person who does partake. You know what I'm saying? Is how the worst stuff you can sell legally anywhere. You can go anywhere and bring it. You can go anywhere and drink it. You can buy a bottle of it and travel with it, and it's no problem. And that's the worst thing. You know what I'm saying? You don't see all that stuff that alcohol does to people. You know what I mean? With weed, mainly drinking and driving, killing people, stuff like that, right? You happy, hungry, sleepy. You happy, hungry, sleepy. You don't get too many violent people. You don't get no violent people actually when you off that green, man. And if it is, it's because they've been mixing and drinking alcohol with it. You know what I mean? It's funny how people how it's funny how people tend to look at you sideways or turn their nose up to you or give you the stank look if you outside smoking weed, but people who smoke weed don't walk past you when you're sitting outside at a table in a restaurant, you drinking alcohol, and they don't look you all up and down your head and prejudge you. That's what I don't like. That's what I don't like about humans and judging people and people who consider themselves godly people. That's because they do stuff like that. You know what I mean? You drinking and chilling and having a good time and turning up and all that stuff, and you sitting down at a table and you eating and drinking, and nobody says anything to you unless you acting a damn fool. Ain't nobody judging you, none like stuff like that. But if you just standing outside smoking weed and somebody walk past you, they look at you all types of ways. Like you a bad person, or you a drug dealer, or you ain't got shit going on in life. You know, all these prejudgments they put past you. But last time I checked, weed heals and alcohol kills. So people, I'm not saying y'all, but people in general need to stop and reassess how they are treating each other as a people, because there's so much prejudgment going around. Even in the airport, you can take your ass in the airport and get lit out of your mind and cause a scene and all that stuff. And all they say is, calm down. We'll book you another flight once you calm down. But if you go into an airport and you own one, you know what I'm saying? You done smoke some, you own one, you chill status. You ain't causing no issues. You ain't arguing with people. You ain't stealing nothing. You ain't causing a disturbance. When you own a flight, you ain't messing with people. You're not getting kicked off before you even get on the flight because you acting belligerent and drunk. You see what I mean? Like, it's messed up how society is and how the government or the people in control choose the lesser of the two. You know what I'm saying? They like, you know what I'm saying? We know alcohol is bad. We know it can do all this stuff, but we make so much money off of it that we just gonna look past it. You know what I mean? Why can't you get caught in trouble for trafficking alcohol? They should make alcohol illegal in states, just like they do weed. You know what I mean? Like, if you're gonna do that to weed, do it to alcohol too. It's very, to me, it's very biased. It's just my opinion. So in the comments, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to hear no mess. It's just my opinion. Yeah, everybody's entitled to their own opinion, but weed is not, I feel, in my opinion, as bad as somebody getting drunk out of their mind.
I have to be like processed, like I have to go to jail. So they'll process you and you'll be able to make phone calls once you get in, okay? Like I'll be like actual like jail cell. It's already it's usually one. I'm trying so hard. God. We're gonna go in. We're going in front of the car. Have you stop right here? Go ahead and spread your feet for me. Hey. Before I begin anything, stick me, poke me, hurt me? No. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it was due to reporting environment and turning lane one.
Same thing on this side.
Poke eye.
Then I'm just gonna run through your hair. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go on this side. Put your left foot up and just kind of slide. Can you slide over far? Go ahead and sit up.
See now, look. This what I'm talking about. See how she going in nice and easy. She just crying. Now imagine if she was drunk. She'd be arguing, fighting, and trying not to get in the car and kicking and cussing everybody out and belligerent and acting crazy and all this, that, and the third. What would you rather have? Would you rather have somebody be chill and be like, man, I got caught, whatever. All right, let me go. It is what it is. Or would you have somebody outside of their mind, in a different realm in their mind, acting a damn fool and doing this, that, and the third? You know what I'm saying? It's crazy how the rules and regulations work with certain things, but that's how it is.
She was charged with possession of marijuana. Share your thoughts in the comments below.
That's it. That's it. That's that. Hey, I said my piece. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. You know who it is. It's your boy Roman. Roman in the house. In your mouth. Georgia Rome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth like ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll catch you guys on the next one.